Hey programmers, so today's LeetCode problem is climbing stairs. You are climbing a staircase. It takes n steps to reach the top. Each time you can either climb one or two steps. And how many distinct ways you can climb the top? So actually question on the means. So we have some staircase. So we have some end staircase. So this is the end place. We are at here. So we want to go to the end place. You can go one step or you can go to straightly to two steps. So in how many ways you want to go to the end steps? So I can go fully to one step, one step to reach end, or I can go to second step and then I go to again second step to reach end, or I can go second steps and then others all become one steps. So this I want to find how many waves. Like this is a one wave, and this is a second wave, this is a three wave, and we have one more wave also. So we want to find the waves only. Let's see an example. So we have n equal to 2. So we have two stages. So I can take one step and one step, or straightly I can take two steps. If n equal to 3, I can take one step and one step and one step till 3. Then or one step plus two steps. So this. So and then the constraint is n is less than equal to 45. So this is a recursion based problem. So this is a recursion based problem. Let's see. So I have a status. So I am in here. It's called as I. So I is initially 0 and this is a n. So I call a function which called f equal to I plus 1, which fully goes plus 1 and plus 1. Another function which I take I plus 2, which they go in two steps forward. If I reach the n and then I add a count equal to 1, right? Likewise, I want to implement a count. So let's see a coding part, but it will give a TLE because the concept is at max 45. If you call these two functions, it go to 2 to power n, which 2 to power n, which is 2 to power 45, which is sum of great more than 0.00000, which is really big value. So we get a TLE, which is time limit exit. So let's I say code it will give TLE. So first I write a function. It's called int function. This I take I and then I take an n. Call a function return recursion of I plus 1 plus recursion of I plus 2. So we want a base case. The base case is if I equal to n, return 1, basically count to 1. If I is greater than n, we should return 0 because in some case I plus 2 would overbound the n. So in this case, we want to return 0. That's it. Let's call a function. So initial I become 0 and then 9. So let's stay here. And it's working, but don't submit it because we get a TLE. Yeah, let's see. This is time limit exit because this code is not optimal. Let's see optimal code. To do optimal, you must know dynamic programming. So dynamic programming is a concept which one we are using. So in dynamic programming, we are using memorization and tabulation and space optimization. So in memorization, which is actually means pre-compute already values. So if you don't know dynamic programming, I would say first learn dynamic programming. So let's see a code. So I created a vector called as dp initially, taking n size dp. Sorry, this I should be 0. It's working. Let's submit it. Whether it's submit or not. Yo, no. Still getting dp. So let's make dp of I not equal to -1. So in this result you say dp. I just forgot it. I think now will be 1. Let's submit. Yeah, now it's accepted. So this is a memorization concept. You must know dynamic programming, then only you can understand this. So we can optimal this also. How means instead of doing memorization, we can do tabulation, which is better than this. Let's create do tabulation. So for tabulation, n is equal to +1, and then all become initially 0, and dp of 0 is 1, and dp of 1 become also 1. Start from I equal to 2, go to n, I plus plus, dp of I equal to dp of I plus, sorry, I minus 1 plus dp of I minus plus return dp of n. This is a tabulation method, so we can rest this. It's a tabulation method better than memorization. This is also working. This is also submitted. I think it's also there. So, but it takes a space complexity as n. We can optimize space also. So instead of creating a dp space, just simply create int a first element equal to 1, second equal to also 1. So and then I'm creating answer equal to 0. Instead of doing a dp, you can take answer equal to first plus second, then first become second, and second becomes answer. At last, I just return answer. This is constant space. and time complexity of n, which is optimal previous one. Yeah. So if n equal to 2, I want to return 1. Yeah, it's accepted. So that's into the column. We send 3 approaches, which is memorization, tabulation, and space optimization. So for this, you must know dynamic programming, then only you can understand this. So that's it.